Good afternoon. It is April the 15th, 2016. Another tax extension day or filing day for those of you that haven't done that. E-mini is going straight up. Very, very lackluster trading. Volume 865,000. Nobody's interested. This morning, the Wall Street Journal told us this was the heaviest vacation week of the month of August and of the summer. We came in this morning starting out wanting to buy the 80 area plus or minus. We quickly raised that to 85. We hit 84.50, 84.75 on the opening. Retest failure trade had you long here. On this B, that would have been a loss if you got in there. This B was a winner, and then from here on out it was nothing. This morning we said look for a 6 to 8 handle range. 6 handles would have taken us to 91. 8 handles would have taken us to 93. We've got a high right at 91. So our assessment was correct. We come in every day wanting to be buyers of the E-mini. That doesn't mean it can't sell, but wait a day if you don't like what happened to you today. The market's going above 2,200 in my opinion. There just are no signs of selling. Another new contract high. That'll be another new contract close. If it holds out the way that it's holding out right now, and you can just see it. So F1, find a place to buy it. F2, definitely a P. Volume is above time. This one also says find a place to buy it. Now last week we had a couple of days that sold. Most of the days were up, so we may have that tomorrow, but we'll have to take a look at what the overnight session brings. And we do have news that can impact the market tomorrow. CPI unchanged. Core CPI up 0.2. Housing starts plus 1.18. Permits 1.16. IP plus 0.3. Manufacturing IP up 0.2. Capacity utilization 75.5. And then retail sales, e-commerce retail sales last was plus 3.7, so this one will get looked at because we're not getting it in the large department stores. The focus will be industrial production. Then starts, then permits, and perhaps core inflation. So we want to buy weakness in this market. It's okay to sell failure to take out 90 to 92. Get through that. I believe the next stop is 2200. So 2199, 2201. Don't think we see that tonight. On the buy side, the breakout came from 85.86. So buy 1, 85.87. Buy 2, 80 to 82. Markets don't go straight up, so we don't want to get complacent, but like I said for a couple of weeks now, buy the 2,200 calls, and you will be rewarded. Okay, treasuries were off. In response to the strength in the E-mini would be my guess. They're not going to raise interest rates. There's talk out there. The Fed can raise interest rates now, maybe as early as September. I'm not holding my breath, and I don't think you should either. Inside day, so trade it is what this is saying. If we don't break the Globex low tomorrow, we'll probably can trade it from the long side. In London, I think you want to go. The first trade will be find a place to get short. So the 11 to 15 area will be sell 1. 19 to 23, sell 2. On the buy side, 1 to 5. I think we are headed lower. 25, 29, buy 2. Knob spread came in a bunch. We started this morning with it at 40.13. It came in a full point today. This thing moves, trades 500 to 1,500 bucks on any given day. It's a big contract. Okay, we're at 25, so the buck to 04 is number 1 resistance. 7 to 11, sell 1. 19 to 23, sell 2. On the buy side, 20 to 24. 9 to 13, buy 1. 1 to 5, buy 2. Gold hanging in there, stops. I don't mind selling against, especially if the E-mini closes strong today. I don't mind selling against that 1350 area. We thought we might get it there today, but we didn't, based on inside day trading range, so not going anywhere in a hurry. If we put all this together, it's a B, so selling 49s, 51s, sell 1. 54, 56, sell 2. On the buy side, 40 to 42, just where we were this morning. And then 35, 37 for buy 2. I think this is 2 days in a row we've kind of had the same numbers. Although our sell on coming in on Friday afternoon was in the 40, 45, 47 area. Crude oil, the squeeze is on. I talked with Chris. We'll be rolling to the October contract on Thursday. So Thursday morning, October goes front. Morgan Stanley says this is all just a short squeeze. So F1 screen says higher. F2 screen, very strong profile, still headed up. So 46, 46 and a quarter in London tonight, sell 1. 46.50, 46.75, sell 2. On the buy side, 45.50, 45 and a quarter, buy 1. And then 44.75, 45, buy 2. The last rotate down was 29 today, so maybe a shot at buying 45.50s. And last but not least, the euro. We had Italian and French banking holidays today, and if there were ever two currencies that needed to be hedged, it's those two. Inside day, I imagine we'll see that again tomorrow, so that F1 says trading range. F2 is a B shape, but we're higher, so there was some selling done into this. 12.15, 12.25, sell 1. 12.40, 12.50, sell 2. On the buy side, 11.75 and 11.50. So we'll just kind of try to get engaged at the edges of the trading range and not to worry too much about it. And that's it for August the 15th, 2000. and 16. I'll see you bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening, and hopefully we'll get some more trading tomorrow in crude. I'm out of here.